Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to choose your specific niche if you want to be an Instagram influencer, or if you have a business or you want to build up a specific category in your Instagram, okay? So the first thing you have to do is to take a piece of paper or open up your computer or something like that and write down 20 things that you would love in general. And then from this list of 20, you go down and you choose your best 3, okay? The best 3 that you love from this list. And then from these 3, then you go down to 1 or 2 that is your favorite, okay? And what do I mean by that? If you go here in your search button, here below, there are different categories here, over here, that is travel, shopping, style, art, nature, fitness, sports, animals, beauty, gaming, etc. So let's say your niche, or the 1 or 2 best that you love, is travel and shopping, and you want to build up your Instagram with these posts, travel and shopping in general. So you go here, travel, and you can see here beautiful pictures and videos also, and you can actually repost them from here. So you can, in another video we show you how to repost your photos and your videos, so go there and you will find it there, the information how to repost. So, and in general you take posts from here and you build up your account, and then you have an account that is oriented with travel and shopping. And you can go here also, and you can find different posts, very high quality posts and videos also. So this is basically it for this video and how to choose your specific niche. So you start putting posts from here in your account and you start building your account. If, let's say, your preference is shopping and style, okay, and you start building your account in this way, and then your niche is gonna be shopping and style, and other people that come to see your account, they will recognize your account by shopping and style. And there are many different categories here also. Fitness and sports can be combined. So if your niche is fitness, or you like fitness and sports, you can combine these with these. Okay, and yes, this is it basically. And just as a note, if you are building up your business, or your your business in general, if you're building up your business in Instagram, then if you have products or services, you do not want to put in Instagram only the products and the services of your business. You want to also use other posts in Instagram. Let's say your business is for fitness and sports. You want to come here, fitness or sports, and to build up your account by high quality business or sports, high quality fitness or sports posts, and you do not want to use only your photos, your posts in general, okay? In another video we are going to show you how much of a percentage you should use from your own posts and how much you should use from Instagram, from these categories. And yeah, this is basically it for this video. Good luck on the application, and put this information into application, and see you on the next one.